Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are a lot of exciting things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. Middle Ground Capital, a US-based middle market private equity firm that specializes in industrial and specialty distribution sectors, has initiated a takeover of Stemmer Imaging, a German distributor of machine vision products. Stemmer Imaging, which sells a range of machine vision components including cameras, lighting, lenses, software, imaging boards, cables, and PCs, has been publicly traded since 2018, when it completed an IPO with an issue price of €43 per share. Once the stock buyout is complete, Middle Ground plans to take Stemmer Imaging private and delist it from the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. Stemmer representatives say the company's management team and board of directors will continue leading the company. Middle Ground has already secured a nearly 70% stake of outstanding Stemmer shares through a share purchase agreement with PrimePulse, Stemmer Imaging's primary shareholder. Members of Stemmer Imaging's management board hold slightly more than 8% of all outstanding shares in the company currently, but have agreed to sell their shares to Middle Ground. Imaging technology continues to advance, with Vayu Robotics' release of a unique mobile robot that can navigate its surroundings. What's so unique? The robot doesn't use LiDAR, technology that's typically involved in autonomous navigation. Instead, it uses planoptic sensing, a type of passive sensing that not only captures information about the intensity of light, but other dimensions of light as well. The company's planoptic sensing technology measures the angle of incidence and the polarization of a photon. These measurements provide additional information about the shape, texture, and other features of objects and living things in the environment. The setup also combines planoptic sensing with AI-enabled image analysis and prediction using a transformer-based algorithm model. In natural language processing, such algorithm models predict the next word based on words that have preceded it. Vayu applies the same approach to visual information for its new robot. Essentially, the algorithms predict the next visual token based on previous images. These AI and sensor technologies are key elements of Vayu Sense, camera technology that's used in the company's Vayu 1 mobile robot. The robot is designed to deliver goods from a fulfillment center to consumers. Already, the company has signed a contract with a large unnamed e-commerce organization to deploy 2,500 robots that will deliver merchandise from fulfillment centers to homes and businesses. Earlier this year, the e-commerce customer piloted the service in several cities in the San Francisco Bay Area. Vayu Robotics closed a $12.7 million seed funding round in October 2023, with contributions from Khosla Ventures in California and Lockheed Martin Ventures based in Maryland. New product inspection technology is now on the horizon with an automated system developed by German systems integrators K&S and Langenbau that checks for print and quality errors on beverage bottle caps made for beer breweries. Designed to keep pace with bottle cap manufacturing, the inspection system is quite fast, operating at a rate of 120 caps per minute. Each bottle cap, which are ceramic flip tops, is attached to a stopper that inserts into the neck of the bottle. The cap and stopper are held in place by an apparatus featuring a small bar that lays across the top of the cap and is attached to a hinged gasket. When the bar is flipped up, the gasket pulls the cap and stopper out of the neck, opening the bottle. K&S designed software controls the inspection system, which analyzes blobs, consistent image regions, and uses matching and classification technologies to perform the inspection analysis tasks. Specifically, a camera captures an image of a bottle cap and transmits it to the computer. The software uses shape-based matching technology that involves a pre-trained image. The pre-trained image is matched with the one captured by the inspection camera, allowing the position and alignment to be determined with sub-pixel accuracy. The new system also uses classification technology to look for errors, like color deviations, missing or incorrect edges, and/or flawed structures, that may be visible in the image of the bottle cap. If the system detects a defect, it displays the image in the graphical user interface, highlighting that defect in color. This makes the type and extent of the defect almost immediately recognizable. Corresponding deviations are segmented and analyzed using the blob analysis technology. In this case, the blobs are connected pixels with similar brightness. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com to keep up with the most interesting and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.